Have you ever looked at your savings and felt proud, but also a little confused? Because the number is higher, but your life doesn't feel that different. You've been disciplined, saving every month, doing everything right. So why does it feel like you're not moving forward? Because saving alone was never meant to build wealth. It was meant to protect it. And that's a huge difference. Think about this. Your money sits in a safe place, stable, predictable, controlled. But while it sits still, everything around you keeps moving. Prices rise, costs increase. Life gets more expensive. And slowly, your money loses power without you even noticing. Now, here's what most people never realize. Your money isn't actually just sitting there. Banks take it, use it, multiply it, and return only a small portion to you. So while you're saving, someone else is growing. Now imagine flipping that. Instead of letting your money stay still, you put it into motion. You invest it into systems that grow over time. And this is where everything changes. Because of one force, compounding. At first it feels slow, almost invisible, like nothing is happening. But over time, it starts building on itself. Small amounts become larger. Growth creates more growth. And eventually, your money starts working for you. Not because you worked harder, but because you gave it time. This is the real difference. Savers stay safe, investors grow. And the best part, you don't need a lot to begin. Even small amounts, done consistently, can completely change your future. But you need structure. First, protect yourself. Build a safety net. Then, put your money to work. Automate it. Remove emotion. Stay consistent. Because the real risk is not investing. It's waiting too long, while time keeps passing anyway. So don't just store money. Build something with it. Start small. Stay patient. And let time do what it always does. Multiply. Financial freedom isn't motivation. It's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.